Alright, I'm going to be recording just a quick video in the hopes that I can help with some of the questions around collision detection. So I've got two boxes drawn on screen, one which follows my mouse and one which is fixed at a random location. As you can see, each box has its left and right edge extended out to infinity as well as its top and bottom edge. That's what these blue and red lines are. So when we're trying to detect collisions, there's a couple things that could be happening, right? We could have horizontal overlap, although I thought I just changed that to, hang on. Yeah, we could have horizontal overlap, which isn't necessarily a collision on its own, right? There's all these situations I'm illustrating right now are horizontal overlap without actual collision. We could also have vertical overlap, right? All of this is vertical overlap without a true collision. So think about, okay, look at the bottom edge of one object is lower than the top edge of the other object. Now we have some overlap vertically, and this is a similar situation right here. Right? We can have horizontal or vertical overlap without a collision. It's when we have both at the same time that our objects must be colliding, right? When we have both horizontal overlap and vertical overlap at the same moment, it must be true that our two objects are colliding. And that's the only scenario, right? One or the other doesn't constitute a collision on its own, but when they're both there, we're colliding. So I hope that helps.